In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if the receiver read your email in Microsoft Outlook. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're like most users, this is where your main email hub is. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Sign In button. Next up, it's time to enter your login details. You know the routine. Type in your email address and password on the sign in page. If you're on a personal device, you may choose to let your browser remember your login details to make signing in quicker next time. After you've filled in your information, go ahead and click Next to proceed. This will take you right into your Outlook dashboard, a space you're likely familiar with if you've used Outlook before. Now, to start the process of sending an email, navigate to the top left corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll find the New Mail option. Give that a click. This is where we'll be crafting our message and setting up the read receipt request. It's pretty straightforward from here, but it's important to make sure you don't miss this next part to ensure you get notified when your email is read. When you're in the new mail window, take a look up at the top ribbon. You'll see a tab labeled Options. Click on that. Within the Options menu, you'll find an item listed as Request a Read Receipt. This is the key step for tracking your email. By selecting this option, you are essentially asking the recipient's email client to send you an acknowledgement once they've opened your email. It's worth noting that the recipient can decide not to send a receipt, but often this option works seamlessly. Once that's done, go ahead and complete your email by adding the recipient's address, a subject line, and your message content. Take a moment to review everything to make sure it's ready to go. Now, simply click Send. Your email is on its way with a read receipt request tagged along with it. Now, here's the part where technology lends a helping hand. When your recipient opens your email, Outlook typically sends a notification back to you, confirming that your email has been read. This confirmation can provide peace of mind, especially when sending important or time-sensitive information. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep track of your emails and know when they've been read using Microsoft Outlook. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.